Okay, so last time we saw some commands and today we are going to see some more commands. Like category which we have DDL and the DML commands. So let me start with the very first command called as delete. Okay, before that let's understand the table where it reside. Okay, let's say if it's reside in the SQL training, so you have to choose the SQL training database or else you have to run this command. Okay, now let's talk about delete. Delete removes the specific rows all rows while keeping the table structure. Okay, so it will remove the specific row as well as all rows as well. It's depend on the criteria. Now when to use it? When you have to delete the specific record, you can utilize this command. Also, it will be used into the where clause, so you can delete a specific record. Example, let's say over here, delete from sales level. Okay, so where sales ID equal to 1. And if you delete this, you get one record affected. Okay. Now let me show you the table of sales. Okay. So just run it. So this is what three records is remaining. One we already deleted. Let's say if I want to delete one more. So I will change the sales ID. Delete from sales where sales ID equals to 2. Okay, this one. And now if I run again, so I have only two records. Okay. And let's say if you want to delete all records, then you have to utilize this command without where clause. Okay. So it will delete all the rows. So these are the two commands we have it. Let's say example, I will show you and run it. So see, I don't have any record over here at all. Okay. Now next, what command we have? Truncate. So truncate, what it does, it removes all the rows from a table, but keeps the table structure. Characteristics of this, let's say, cannot use a where clause. It cannot use the where clause, and it's faster than the delete command. Now, when to utilize this command? When you want to quickly empty an entire table, that time you can utilize it. The command name is truncate table name. Okay. So it will truncate your all records. So right now we don't have data over here because we deleted. So let's take a student table. Okay. And before that, I want to show you what record we have in student table. Let's see. So this is what student table data we have it. Okay. Now let's say if I want to take a backup of this particular table, so we can take it out by using the another command before truncating the record. Okay. So let's say this one, we have the backup table. So backup table, what it does, it creates a copy of the table structure and the data, allowing you to restore it later if needed. So the next one, when to use it. Okay, so you want to create a backup of the table before making any changes. Okay, that time you can utilize it. Okay, so let's say I am doing the backup before truncating the data. So you have to use the command select star into the backup from student table. Okay, so that is what you can do it and you can run it. Okay, so let me do one thing. I think I already have it one. So I'm again creating one more by using this. Okay. Now, if I want to see the data in both the table, it should show same. Okay. This is my backup table. This is my original table. Okay. Now run it. So see, 5 records we have in a backup, also 5 records in our main table. So both the things we have it. So let's say if I do any changes in my main table, I have the data in my backup. Okay. Now let's see how to do that. Let's go here. Now run the command truncate table name. Okay. So once I truncate it, okay. So if you see, it's remove the all rows. Okay. Only structure will be present. Let's see over here. So see. I don't have any record at all. Only structure is there. Okay. So that is what truncate command will work. Okay. Now the next what we have drop command. What drop does? Drop removes the table itself, including its data and the definition both. So after executing this, you will get an error because the table no longer exists. Okay, because we simply going to drop that table. Okay. Now when to use this particular command, the table is no longer needed. That time you can use the drop. Okay. So command syntax is that drop table name. Okay. Now let me drop it. Now let's go here and select this table. So you will get the error. See, invalid object name student. Okay. So now we have deleted this particular table, but we still want that table again. So that's why we took this backup. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to simply reverse this table or swap this table over here. Okay. Example, let me show you. So select star into student. Okay. We'll go like this. And this table, you can utilize it over here as a form. Okay. Now, what you have to do? You have to run this command again. Okay. Now record is added in our main table again. Now, if you see it, you will get the same record. And if you run both, you will get again same things. Okay. So that is what you can do it by using these commands like delete, truncate, drop, backup. Okay. So let's say if you are working on first time, so definitely you require to take a backup. And yes, of course, even though if you have the experience, I can say take a backup. Okay. So if something goes wrong by chance or accidentally, then you have this backup which will save you. Okay. Thank you.